The best answer to the question what is Quran is provided by Allah, the Lord and Rabb of everything that is ever created and exists. This is the book, the Quran, whereof there is no doubt, a guidance to those who are al-muttaqun, the pious and righteous persons who fear Allah much, abstain from all kinds of sins and evil deeds, which He has forbidden, and love Allah much, perform all kinds of good deeds which He has ordained. Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2. Allah makes it clear in the Quran that it could not have been revealed by anyone other than Him. He says, Allah revealed Quran. And this Quran is not such as could ever be produced by other than Allah, Lord of the heavens and the earth, but it is a confirmation of the revelation, which was before it, i.e. the Tawrat, Torah, and the Injil, Gospel, and a full explanation of the book, i.e. laws, decreed for mankind, wherein there is no doubt, from the Lord of the Alamin, mankind, jinn, and all that exists,